Look at Uncle's thing. Who's this?
Thor.
Who's this?
That's right there.
Who's this?
Uncle.
Who's that?
Daddy.
Who's that?
Hulk.
Who's this?
Hulk.
Hulk's leg? I'll fix it. Okay, who's this?
Magneto.
Who's this?
What's it?
Who's that?
So glad.
Who's this?
A rock. Zippity.
Who's that?
Venom.
Who's this one?
Spider-Man.
Who's this?
Batman.
Who's that?
Spider-Man.
Who's that?
Robot.
Who's this?
Woman.
Who's that?
Iceman.
Who's this?
Tapu.
Who's this one?
The Goblin.
Who's this girl?
Mystique.
Who's this one?
Spider-Man.
Who's this one?
Rocket.
Who's that?
Nine.
Captain Britain?
Yeah.
Who's this one?
Simon.
Dog Sam's.
There's like 25, dude.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Look, it's just. Look. Hey, Gavin. Who's Spider-Man's girlfriend?
Peter Parker.
No, who's Spider-Man's girlfriend?
Mayday.
Yeah.
Watson.
Yeah, Mary Jane? Alright.
Even put the Watson in it.
What's Hulk's name?
What's Batman?
What's
Iron Man.
what's Cyclops' name?
That's Batman.
Good job.
What's Iron Man's name?
What's Iceman's name?
You don't know.
Hey, I told you about that. What's War Machine's name?
And the smoke.
Wait, what's Sandman's name? What's Sandman's name?
For Margot.
Spider-Man 3.
You gonna put that on YouTube?
Yep. It's better than my baby can read, huh, Gavin?
Dude, that's hey.